Yeah.
So that's
But
where do you see them ending up in the league?
home.
भाई पागल हो गया, हमने इतना बड़ा अभी पूरा वो किया है भाई कि उनके पास रिकी पॉन्टिंग है, श्रेयस अय्यर है, इतना उनका स्क्वाड है, तो
सही
उनको
बात है.
टीम कह रहा है.
घर 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 जाएंगे भाई.
Uh, are you comedy me?
Hello guys, welcome back to the Silly Pointer Show. 3,946 days since they have seen playoffs.
Wow.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to talk about Kings 11 Punjab और पंजाब किंग्स. नाम 10 बार बदल लिया है, किस्मत वही ही वही.
मेरी किस्मत ही खराब है.
Yeah, let's see how they have fared.
Probably the most consistent side in the IPL.
Very consistent, very consistent. Thanks for
Yes.
bringing that up. 2020 season 6th, 2021 6th, 2022 6th, 2023 8th, 2024 9th. So clearly they have not reached the end of the direction they have started in. There is one more step to go.
हाँ, वो क्योंकि वो डायरेक्शन चेंज ही होता रहा ना, एक सेट डायरेक्शन में कभी गए ही नहीं.
But direction
In terms of the structure.
Direction इस बारी एक्चुअल में भी चेंज हो सकता है.
हाँ, but Mr. Ponting was also with DC. So
Ganguly was also there. So
yeah.
From what we have heard, जो भी है, but on paper, I think best Punjab squad ever, and I'm including the George Bailey, Maxwell, Sehwag era, or if not the best ever, the best since 2015 onwards for sure. They have not had this quality of a squad. They have Ricky Ponting, they have an IPL winning captain, and they have a very Australian core, which I think will take them
Yes.
long way this season.
भाई इसमें एक प्लेयर का नाम मिसिंग है.
किसका?
इनके मेन प्लेयर का नाम.
कौन?
अरे
प्रीति जिंटा.
मैं नहीं बोलता हूँ भाई.
अरे यार गुड्डू.
गुड्डू ने क्या बोला?
प्रीति जिंटा.
प्रीति जिंटा is not a player.
भाई बॉस
game
को तू कैसे प्लेयर बोल रहा है?
भाई she is the only constant भाई. She is the only constant in the team. और
But I am
सब लोग
surprised
change होते हैं.
यार, पंजाब की मैक्सवेल पे फिर से बेट लगाया है. It's very strange.
Yeah, especially
I think
Was it desperation or a clear strategy? I'm not sure, but very strange decision to have him back. I think I don't think so in the last 4 years he's had a good season. But Maxwell in the IPL.
yeah.
I think apart from that one season with Punjab, I don't think so he's ever had a very good season in the IPL.
Yeah.
So
Few sparks here and there जब वो KGF चल रहा था.
Yeah.
But I think could be a comeback. Not comeback, but could be a
Yeah, हर साल सोचते हैं.
Or, no. I wasn't going to say comeback. I was going to say could be a homecoming for Glenn Maxwell, because the last time around he was here, he very vocally said that he did not have a good time because Sehwag.
Yeah, Sehwag, yes. So that's why I'm even more surprised कि when you've already criticized the administration in one way or the other, whosoever it might be, it doesn't matter if that person is not there with the team. तो उसके लिए जाना, I think it could be a panic buy कि यार एक बैटिंग ऑलराउंडर चाहिए जो थोड़ा एक्सप्लोसिव हो सकता है on his day.
Yes.
So
I think on the contrary side, I think it's a very strategic buy. Because Ponting, whenever he takes a person, whenever he gets people, he actually puts in a lot of thought. And Glenn Maxwell के लिए, the main thing is his temperament, as the main thing is his mentality. जब भी वो जाता है खेलने, it's not that he doesn't have range of shots and all. He is one of the best players who has like पूरे ग्राउंड के कोई भी डायरेक्शन पे वो शॉट मार सकता है. It's just about his temperament.
But I think it's very interesting with Maxwell कि you look at where cricket is going. एक set direction है, people have their own way of playing कि अगर हमको accelerate करके रहना है start में तो. But somehow with Maxwell you can always feel that he's confused कि मैं अभी मारने जा रहा हूँ, या तो एकदम ही 1000 के strike rate से मारने जाएगा या एकदम ही मतलब फंस जाएगा. तो हाँ, मतलब एक बॉल पे 10 रन मारने जाएगा वो, या तो एकदम फंस जाएगा. एंड दिस इज वेरी सरप्राइजिंग. ही इज अ क्वालिटी प्लेयर. आई थिंक वर्ल्ड कप तो इसकी वजह से जीते हैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया, अगर वो अफगानिस्तान वाला नहीं किया रहता. हाँ, दैट वन इनिंग. But yeah, it's pretty strange. He's a proven veteran in that sense. He's played all formats. He scored 100 as well in Test. तो उस हिसाब से कभी he never seemed clear in his approach.
That is true, but मजा तो आता है जब वो मारता है. So let's
हाँ यार, no doubt,
let's
no
hope.
doubt.
एक
Very
और
entertaining.
एक और ये घायलों की टीम है. If you look at it, they are hurt 11. When Maxwell was hurt
Hurt
last
11.
time, Punjab, Shreyas Iyer not retained by KKR.
Yeah.
Yuzi Chahal.
Chahal,
Yuzi Chahal.
be your own sugar daddy.
They come and they go. पता नहीं क्या लिखा था. Most hurt of them all. And yeah, but I think they have it in them to go a long way. 6 Australians, and I see a lot of them playing like वो merry-go-round थोड़ा सा चलेगा. There's Aaron Hardy, there's Glenn Maxwell, there is Josh Inglis, there is.
I think थोड़ा time लगेगा उनको to figure out their playing 11.
हाँ, but I think on paper, okay, if we are going to 11,
हो जाएगा.
I think one person who solidified his place as a opener last year, the only retention, Prabh Simran. I think
correct.
Good player.
But who is he going to?
He's a good player.
Is he going to open with Inglis?
I think so. I think Inglis has to go at the top. I think he's one player who can hit really well, accelerate कर सकता है अच्छा, plays pace also really well. So I think he should be given a chance.
Has come of age. जितना उसका 6 महीने में ऑस्ट्रेलियन क्रिकेट में किसी का नहीं हुआ, किसी का भी नहीं हुआ.
Correct. I think full of confidence and
I think they can also go with Priyansh Arya. प्रियांश आर्या को उन्होंने शायद से 3.8 करोड़ या ऐसा कुछ देके खरीदा है. एंड बेस प्राइस 30 लाख था उसका. 3.8 या 3.2 करोड़ में खरीदा है उसको. गुड ब्रीडिंग वॉर गया था उसके बारे में. एंड आई हैव बीन लुकिंग एट अ फ्यू डोमेस्टिक वीडियोस ऑफ प्रियांश आर्या एज वेल. बहुत अच्छा प्लेयर है. ही इज लाइक अ स्ट्राइकर. ही इज फियरलेस. ही इज गुड. ही इज रियली गुड. अगर इनको यानसन, स्टॉइनिस, मैक्सवेल, ओमरजाई या फर्ग्यूसन में से किसी को रखना है तो they will not go with Inglis. They'll go with Priyansh Arya.
But I think knowing Ponting's philosophy in terms of how he wants to play, I think he will definitely go with Inglis. He has to go. Recent form dictates he should play.
Needs to. But very interesting point. अगर इनको नीचे के वो 4 कॉर्नर रखने हैं तो you never know.
Is the pick that I am saying.
It's been a long time यार कि किसी यंगस्टर का फट के सीजन निकला हो. आते थे पहले मनीष पांडे, पॉल वलथाटी, people like this, and we used to sit up and take notice कि वाह भाई प्लेयर आए.
One season wonder. You want one season wonder? क्यों किसी के लिए कुछ खराब सोच रहा है यार?
But like proper wonders. So let's hope यार, always there for young people. Let's see if Priyansh.
There's an example for them. Last 2 साल में प्रभ सिमरन सिंह भी ऐसे ही आया. He was like a youngster.
थोड़ा सा I think he needs to perform a bit better. Prabh Simran, I think now he's experienced enough कि he can have a good season. But yes, he's shown promise.
Yeah, Prabh Simran has to play.
He's one of the senior players now in the side.
Prabh Simran has to play to the tunes of what Manan Vora promised. Manan Vora का promise दूसरा था, but the moment they invested in him, he tanked. Good player.
I still remember his back foot drive to Shami for a 6. I mean, I've never seen a better shot.
I remember that too. I think उसका signature है.
I mean, that was unbelievable यार. क्या shot मारा था.
Yes.
And you could feel कि यार ये बंदा है. I think very Imran Nazir vibes कि यार it's very stylish and flies off the bat.
2007 final Imran Nazir. Anyway, Prabh Simran and Inglis के साथ opening. Let's see if Priyansh Arya gets a chance. Iyer at 3, I think picks himself easy. Maxwell at 4.
I would actually go Iyer at 4 and have Stoinis at 3.
Oh, interesting. I think Stoinis as more of a finisher.
Yeah, but I think. Yeah, they have Maxwell, they have Shashank, so I think Stoinis को fully utilize करने के लिए they might send him at 3. They might give him the license कि जाओ खेलो जीलो जिंदगी. He is experienced enough now, to steady the ship if things do not go well. So I think they have to bank on Marcus Stoinis this time. I think one of the senior players, and I think he'll be given a lot of responsibility this time.
Can I just add to a point? अगर 3 पे Iyer आ रहा है, I think they'll play Nehal Vadera at 4, Stoinis at 5, Maxwell at 6, Jansen at 7.
Maxwell is not going to 6, I think. What you are
Yeah,
saying,
Maxwell will play at 5.
what you are saying was true in 2014, 2016 वाला era when Maxwell used to come and like झापो it. पर अभी तो I think especially after the RCB stint that he has had, he's a top 4 batter, at max top 5 batter in T20. तो
Yeah, I think he'll go at number 5.
नो, आरसीबी में वो टॉप 5 इसलिए था क्योंकि उनके पास कोई ऐसे ऑप्शन नहीं थे हिटर वाले, या उसके बाद जैसे कोहली रोहित कोहली नहीं, कोहली सॉरी फॉर द इंडियन वाला थिंग.
नहीं, Rohit is always before Kohli, bro. Don't worry.
yeah. Always in terms of giving his wicket.
बैटिंग ऑर्डर ब्रो. ये जो हेटर है ना अंदर का इसका रोहित का, भाई इंडिया का वन ऑफ
भाई
मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल कैप्टन है,
हाँ,
ठीक है ना. और
रोहित
आईपीएल का तो सबसे सक्सेसफुल कैप्टन है.
the Rohit lover here in white ball, absolute goat, no denial. Red cricket, red
और
ball.
पता है ये कुछ भी उसको गलत लगता है ना कि अगर पूरे 3 मैचेस रोहित ने फैंटास्टिक कैप्टनसी करी, कुछ नहीं बोला, तारीफ नहीं हुई, बट जैसे ही कुछ लगा कि यार कहीं इज मिस द ट्रिक, बस हेट करना चालू कर दो.
यार सी the point is कि इतना high
My
pressure
point.
होगा. This is like मैं तो genuinely I equated to one of the most high pressure jobs in our country. You are expected to do good, and I'm not taking away the credit. You are expected to do good, but when you are not good, then you take the
वैसे ही आता भी है.
नहीं, you can take the blame or you can take the mar whenever you're not doing good, but when you're doing good you should be appreciated also. तब मेरे को रेडियो साइलेंस पसंद नहीं आता किसी का.
I think he's appreciated enough. Even if I'm not appreciating him, I'm appreciating him.
मैं बात तो तेरे से कर रहा हूँ ना हितेश.
मैं कह तो रहा हूँ, if I'm not appreciating him in front of you, I'm appreciating him in here. No one roots more for him when he comes to open cricket.
Coming back to the point, why I said Nehal Vadera at 4, then Stoinis, then Maxwell, is because Maxwell उस पे 3 पे आता था क्योंकि कोहली डिविलियर्स ही थे. उसके बाद आरसीबी का बैटिंग खत्म हो जाता था. उसके बाद इट वाज ओनली मैक्सवेल फॉर देम हु इज द लोन सेवियर. मगर इधर ऐसा नहीं है कि मैक्सवेल इज द लोन सेवियर. दे हैव अ डिसेंट, नॉट अ डिसेंट, आई वुड से
अनुज रावत को इतना डिस्क्रेडिट मत कर यार. अनुज रावत को तो इतना डिस्क्रेडिट मत कर.
खराब कर देता है भाई मेरा. तू जब भी अनुज रावत बोलता है मत बोला कर भाई.
भाई क्या हो गया? I think he's had good performances. इतना blatant hater नहीं होना चाहिए किसी का गुंडी.
हाँ, अनुज रावत तो मेरे हिसाब से कैप्टन होना चाहिए था. रजत पाटीदार तो अगला कप्तान था भाई वो. चल मैक्सवेल 11 में तो है. Let's see if we are
I think Nehal Vadera can get a chance, but I think starting में he won't, is what I feel. That is my feeling.
I had also kept him in the 11, but if we go by for the moment, if we go by what Sanil is saying, तू कह रहा है 3 पे
स्टॉइनिस जाएगा क्योंकि he's also opened the innings.
4 पे
I think
you are saying
4 पे यार 5 पे मैक्सवेल is what I think.
तो 6 पे कह रहा है मैक्सी ठीक ठाक है. मतलब जिस दिन विकेट जल्दी गिरी उस दिन मैक्सी जल्दी, जिस दिन बाद में गिरी.
हाँ, then I think Shashank will be fixed at 6.
I agree.
I think he's a good finisher. Last time he showed a lot of promise, so hopefully उसका वैसा ही सीजन एक अच्छा कंटिन्यू हो.
I agree. 7 पे I had kept.
उसके बाद I think you had kept.
I had kept Vadera at 7.
अच्छा, 7 पे for me it's either Jansen or Omarzai. I don't think so both of them will play. So as a bowling all-rounder,
उसमें भी pecking order Jansen.
I would actually go with Omarzai. Jansen, I think in terms of his economy, I think it's pretty poor is what I feel, and काफी मार का. I think last time SRH के लिए एंड में तो टेपर ऑफ कर दिया था उसको. तो एंड ही इज नॉट हैड अ गुड सीजन. आई थिंक लास्ट 1-2 सीजन इन जनरल ओवरऑल एज अ क्रिकेटर आई थिंक ही इज नॉट परफॉर्म दैट वेल. तो व्हाइल ऑफ कोर्स ही इज एब्सोल्युटली अ गुड प्लेयर एंड वेरी प्रॉमिसिंग, बट आई जस्ट फील Omarzai can be given a chance.
I think Omarzai,
but I won't be surprised if Jansen plays.
I also think Omarzai जाएगा क्योंकि Omarzai is a better batsman than Jansen. First thing. Second thing, in bowling terms also, Omarzai is a good middle over bowler, and he has a lot of other variations than Marco Jansen is what.
और middle overs में तो अब अगर second inning में middle over डाल रहा है तो नया बॉल मिलेगा. Swing भी अच्छा करता है. So you never know. Actually, a good pick, Omarzai over Jansen, which will finish our corners because we are playing Inglis, Maxi, Stoinis, and Omarzai, which leaves us with Arshdeep, Yuzi, and Harpreet. I think this is what they'll end with.
That is what I was also pointing कि अगर इंग्लिश को खिला रहे हैं, फिर आपके 12th मैन फर्ग्यूसन होगा, इंग्लिश स्विच हो जाएगा फर्ग्यूसन से, इज व्हाट आई एम थिंकिंग।
नहीं आपके
अगर
पास
इंग्लिश
I actually I think I mean I don't know in my playing 11 what I've done is I've kept English, Prabhsimran, Stoinis, Iyer, Maxwell, then Shashank, Harpreet, Omarzai, then either of Kuldeep or Thakur, Yash Thakur, Arshdeep and Chahal. That would be my playing 11.
3 स्पिनर पंजाब
हाँ
के।
मतलब 3 Chahal is there, Harpreet is there, and Maxwell is there. मतलब Maxwell you can't count him as a spinner, right?
पर करवाएंगे उससे, बट
Why not भाई?
यू आर राइट
हाँ मतलब he'll yeah
दो ओवर
yeah
पक्का करेगा।
ये तो खेलेंगे ये तो
हाँ मतलब तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो 11th spot है that would be between Kuldeep Sen and Yash Thakur.
क्योंकि तू वडेरा को नहीं ले
Again
सकता।
another Vidarbha represent,
Yes, Thakur.
and he's performed well last year. So
Yeah, he was really good for LSG.
yes.
Good.
तो
तो guys एक बार summarize कर ले।
yes we are starting with Prabhsimran and English। 3 पे आ रहा है मैक्सी।
Yeah, ये थोड़ा iffy है but I would go with Stoinis.
3-4 चेंज कर लो।
हाँ, और irrespective of the order, Prabhsimran and English, then Stoinis, Iyer, Maxi,
Maxwell,
Jansen या ओमरजाई, हमारे डिस्कशन के हिसाब से ओमरजाई। then there is Arshdeep, Chahal, Brar and Kuldeep Sen.
Okay, so we have negated.
kept Nehal Vadera.
We have negated.
I think Nehal Vadera is my impact player for sure. He'll come in.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's our. Where do you see them ending up in the league?
Home.
पागल हो गया, हमने इतना बड़ा अभी पूरा वो किया है भाई कि उनके पास रिकी पॉन्टिंग है, श्रेयस अय्यर है, इतना उनका स्क्वाड है, तो
घर जाएंगे भाई, मगर they'll go respectful घर, 5th या 6th में जाएंगे, मगर घर जाएंगे पक्का।
I want them to qualify this year, guys. I think.
Yeah, even I would want them, but
do not limit the cross. एक सबड़ी की भी एक सीमा होती है। इसके बाद तो प्रीति जिंटा टूट जाएगी अगर इस स्क्वाड के साथ भी नहीं
कर। irrespective of the result, I want Maxwell to do well यार। मतलब एक सीजन थोड़ा वापस वो अगर आग लगा दे,
I agree.
तो मजा आ जाएगा।
मारे सूते भाई, मैं कह रहा हूँ चिन्ना स्वामी में जाके, चेपॉक में जाके मारे।
हाँ जो मिले सामने
वो मिले मारे।
चेपॉक पे तो देख अभी से मैं बोल रहा हूँ मुश्किल है, क्योंकि उसको खेलने नहीं देंगे वहां के स्पिनर।
मैक्सवेल वर्सेस एश after some time, मजा आएगा।
मगर यार ऐसे दिमागी तौर पे ना, जब भी पंजाब का मैच होता है बहुत ट्यून करना पड़ता है कि भाई आज ठीक है मैच है,
कोई नहीं देखता,
अनप्रेडिक्टेबल है।
पंजाब का मैच आईपीएल में छुट्टी है।
हाँ
एकदम
बेस्ट है,
किसी के साथ भी हो। और अगर पंजाब वर्सेस लखनऊ हो या पंजाब वर्सेस गुजरात हो तो एब्सोल्यूट छुट्टी है।
तो
फिर आप प्लान बनाओ।